So when you receive your pole, you're going to receive a handle, and then this is the end of the pole. Okay. Now, essentially, all you really want to do, you can see along here, there are these little notches along the edge here. All right. Now those notches match up with this little tab. All right. It's spring loaded. You can see if I push on it, it's spring loaded. So what's going to happen is you screw this in to the pole. Once you get close, it's going to want to pop in to one of those little slots, okay? But it won't be done yet. So you need to keep that tab pulled and keep turning this in until you get it to where it feels like it's pretty snug. And then you'll notice at that point there's one last slot. And if you turn it just a little bit more, it pops into that slot. Once it pops in, then it can't turn out. Okay? And at that point, your handle is nice and tight up against the edge. You can pull this out and you can see there's no gapping there. Okay? So just make sure that you don't let that pop into a notch too far up, because otherwise, and by the way, this is a prototype. The ones that we actually are shipping, that turn, or this little tab works much easier than on this prototype. But again, if you let it drop into one of these slots too early, then you can see there's gapping there, right? You don't want gapping because then it won't be as strong. So make sure that you keep that pulled up, turn it all the way in until you feel it snug up, and then you'll notice you're right there at that tab. Just turn it in until it pops in. And then you're ready to roll.